Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about comments, how to write comments and why it's important to have comments in your code. Okay, so comments are some text that you can write in your code in order to give an explanation about your source code. And one specificity of a comment is that when you write your comment, the comments are not going to be visible on the web page. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. So you are going to use this particular tag. For example, if you write like this, open the bracket, exclamation mark, hyphen, hyphen, and say this is a comment. And then hyphen, hyphen, like this. So this line of code here is a comment. Okay, so anything written in between these brackets and hyphen are going to be ignored by the browser, so the comment will not be visible on the web page. So as you can see here, this particular text is showing nowhere on our browser because the browser is considering it as a comment and something that should be ignored and not shown on the screen. And as I was saying, so the comments are part of the code, but their use is to give an explanation about the code. So you can give an explanation about a portion of your code. All right, so as I was telling you, if you want to add some comments in your HTML file, this is how you have to do it. So you open the brackets, exclamation mark, hyphen, hyphen, the content of the text referring to the comment, and then hyphen, hyphen, and close the bracket like this. And everything you write in between, this tag will be treated as a comment and the browser will not read it or will not display it on the web page. So that's how you write a comment. We can also say that you can put a particular HTML element inside a comment. For example, if we say label here, we put it inside the comment tag. So open the brackets, exclamation mark, hyphen, hyphen, like this, and then close it here. Now you can see the label is inside the comment tag. And as we're saying, so everything in between the comment tag here will not be read by the browser and will not be displayed. So now you can see the name, you know, the label is not showing on the screen. All right, it's not showing on the screen here. So that's basically that. And we can say that we want to put this label as well inside comment. We say this and then close the comment tag here. So this is how this is going to show on the screen. Yes. And as I was saying, the comment can be used to explain, maybe it can be used to explain how do you call it, a portion of your code. For example, if you want to explain this portion of code by saying uh, this code is used to create a form like this. Okay, so that another developer, if he comes and read your code, he will definitely know that this portion of code here is used to create the form like this. Okay. Another thing that we can talk about is that we can write a multi-line comment. Like, for example, this comment here is on a single line. What if we have, a comment that is made up of multiple lines? We can also do that, and everything has to be inside the comment tag. So we can say like this. So if we say like this, as you can see. For example, here we will say this code is used to create a form. This form will be a login form, for example. It will have a text field and an email field. So that's basically how you create um, a multi-line comment. As you can see here, our comment is having multiple lines, but still the content is surrounded by the comment tag. And if the browser comes here, it's not going to read it. It's not going to display that on the web page. Okay, so basically in HTML, we can have comments that have multiple lines at a time, and a multi-line comment we can use any description about the code or multi-line code to debug, etc., etc. So that's basically that. What I wanted to tell you about the comment. So it's recommended, as I was saying, to use comments in your code because sometimes you will not be working alone, or even if you are working alone, the comment you can use it to explain the portion of your code so that next time when you come back on your code, it will allow you to recall or recollect on what you were working the day before and to better understand the logic behind all the code that you had written. Or if you are working with other developers, if they come and read your code, they can understand what you wanted to say by the portion of code that you wrote. Okay, so it also helps in maintaining the code clean and maintainable, for better collaboration in the development team. So guys, we will stop here for this video. I wanted to show you how to create a comment in HTML. I hope the video was informative, and let's write the questions if you have in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's meet in the next video.